Okay. Been a while since we've done this, huh? I can't believe we're back. Okay. Yeah, try and get me. It won't work. Yeah, dear. Oh no. Duh. 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 Yeah. Alright. I might as well use my super form. Okay. You might want to run away. Yeah. Okay. So, I wonder where she went. Here she is. Yeah. Come after me, it won't work. Oh yeah, that does nothing. Where are my blocks? Where'd they go? I guess I can't do anything. I'll have to change back to the other form. Or else we can't do anything about it. Yeah! Duh. Yeah! Yeah! Okay. Let's do this. Yeah! Da da ha! Yeah! I got stable hold now. I'm gonna get on the top of that building. Yeah! Okay, she's noticed me. So I gotta go. That building fast. She's missing all the shots at me. Yeah! She's definitely noticed me. Yeah! Okay. We gotta go and get him. Whoa! Static. Whoa! That's my target to land next time. Whoa! Yeah! That did nothing. I had my shield up. Whoa! Come on, get up. Get up. This depends. Yeah. Yes. Oh. No. Yeah. Come on, I can do this. I can get up. I'll have to respawn. Then I'll have to keep going. My future is critical. Critical enough. My list is overpowered. I've had enough. Let's do this. No more messing around. Let's do this. Yeah. was mad. So, I'll go and punch her in the face like this when she respawns. Just where she is right now. Da 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 da. How did you survive that? Okay. This is it. No more messing around. Okay. Let's do this. Yeah. Okay. Show me what you got. I have great boxing skills. Yeah. And until next time she comes over, she is screwed. Right. She's over there. I gotta land. Duh. Yeah. I am unstoppable. That does nothing. I will just shoot you again if you don't be careful. In fact, why don't I? Yeah. Okay. You see no chance against me. I'm out of here. Pleasure you having you. But you'll have to die. Yeah. Wait, what? What'd she do? Ugh. Put me in. Yeah. We made it in. But we need to get down now. Da 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 da. Okay. Here goes. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. So. You survived, huh? There's no way you'll survive this. Whoa! Okay, go. Da. Come on, I can do this. Yeah. Da. I got her, I think. I got her. I finally got her. There's no way she's coming back now. So, hang on. What? How are you back? No way. I'll have to destroy you again. Yeah. You still alive? She teleported right at that exact moment. Right. I may be thinking, if I disguise as her, will she not see me as a threat? I'm one of you. Okay. I don't think she seems any harm to me. Die. Okay, we got her. So, I don't know what we could do next. Shall we destroy with a laser ball? I don't know. Okay. You can come over. Yeah. 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 Alright, I'm coming over. Whoa. Wow. That was close. Duh. Yeah. Alright. Wow. Yeah. And up again and down again. Through the laser ball, up to the sky and land vertically. And now shoot laser balls from up at the sky. Yeah, the world will end. No matter where you are, you will get shot. Duh. She died from the radiation of my ball. So, that's a good thing. Wait, did someone just speak? Is that the angel? Huh? Where is she? Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. Oh no, oh no. Yes. We escaped her. Oh no. I'll have to respawn to do my work. I will do my work in a different way. A completely rare way. Yeah. I will do it so rare that no one would notice. All of the times I've respawned, all of the times I've respawned as Lightning Emperor is changing today. I've had enough. It's time to die, Angel. Da, da, da. See what I mean? No way you can get me. I'm unstoppable. Okay. Yeah. Hello, Angel. I'm from a completely different planet. You know what? I'm peed off. There's no way he's doing that again. Okay? Yeah. That was some hard work there. Apart from that, I'm doing it. Yeah. There she is. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Fly back over to where you know what? There's no way I'm losing again. Yeah. Oh. We all gotta prepare for destruction. There is no way you're defeating me once again. You will not stop me again. Yeah, you won't stop me. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. I see the ladder over there. Right. So I'm gonna go. I've had enough. When we go to a different parallel universe, the angel is dead, and the angel is as dead. A dead as a dead rat, as dead as a dead idiot. She's dead. No more messing around. No more good guy. Yeah. 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 Duh. Yeah. Oh no. Oh! I hate it when I tip over. I cannot get her that way. She is not getting me once again. Right, Angel! What did I just told you? These angels these days. They get so annoying. Right. Where was I at? That should be her you again. Right. Yeah. Da 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 da. Yeah. Da 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 da. Yeah. That's you, dead angel. See, I'm stronger than you. There's no way you're stronger than me. Wait, what? That's it. Yeah. Yeah. The angel will never get me. I'm too fast. And she will never feel the wrath of what it feels like to get hitted multiple times. Yeah. Yeah. Torture hole. Yeah. 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 Die. That's it. Fall out of the world. I can defeat you in minutes, even seconds. Don't try to mess with me, or else. Yeah. Duh. Da-da. Huh. Don't underestimate how good I am at fighting. My monitor even knows you're one of my enemies. You're my biggest one. So you better Ah! You know what? I've had enough. Right, Angel. There's no way you're doing it this time. Yes. Yeah. Teleport. Good. Teleport to that roof. Ooh. Okay. That was some quite sick move. But she won't be gone yet. She would still be here. Alright. Get her! Duh! Yeah. After a few years, we finally met. Huh? Yeah. Don't think you're gonna get away with this. Absolutely no way you are. Keep trying. You will not get away. Yeah. Da 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 da. Get sent to hell. It would be a good place to go. Alternatively, at Spawn Circle Highway will do nothing to protect you. Absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. Right. If you try to do it again, you will never catch me. I'm too fast. Absolutely too fast. Okay. Where'd you go? Ooh, there you are. Come on. Ooh. Da 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 da. Now boost away. Yeah, you try to kill me. It won't do any good at all. I am unstoppable. This angel will have absolutely no skill to do anything. Absolute nothing. Come on, Angel. Don't be afraid. I'm coming. Okay, Angel. It's your time to go. And that's where it ends. Bye-bye.